If you want to know how to use Cash App loans or borrow but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can take loan on Cash App using borrow feature. Starting on the main Cash App screen, tap on the borrow option. Cash App provides detail on the loan here. You'll see an initial loan limit, including a one-time flat fee and the opportunity to increase your borrowing limit over time. To begin, tap Get Started. Select the loan amount you'd like and tap Next. Then review the loan terms. Here, we have $1 flat fee applied, resulting in total repayment of $21 within 30 days, and tap Next. Choose a repayment schedule options, including weekly payments or fully repayment by a specific date. We'll select the weekly repayment schedule and tap Next. Now, you need to add your social security number and address and confirm with the PIN. Now, you need to review the infos and loan summary. After doing it, tap Borrow instantly. Now, the $20 is added to your Cash App balance, available for immediate use. It will send a notifications to remind for your upcoming payments until the full payment is repaid. And that's it. These are the steps you can follow to use Cash App loans. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.